Weather alert.
This is only a test.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Muhlenberg County, Kentucky, northeastern Christian County, Kentucky, southeastern McLean County in northwestern Kentucky, northern Cobb County, Kentucky, until 11:45 a.m. At 10:59 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Weir to 11 miles southeast of Crofton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Central City, Powderly, Graham, Greenville, Weir, Dunmore, Drakesboro, Rockport, Bremen, and South Carrollton. This includes Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 47 and 65. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Christian, McLean, Muhlenberg, and Todd.